Alright, recording now on fraps.
Go.
I'll just go in order, so CSGO weapon cases first. 1, 2,
Yeah, just go.
3, 4, 6 of them. So let's buy 6 keys, and let's go. Alright, 6 keys, ready?
Do it.
First key. Unlocking case. No. Alright, first one's a Blood Tiger, M4.
That's alright. Could have been worse. Oh, you don't use that one.
Yeah, nah, I don't. You guys, I have.
What'd you get, Hingo?
Hingo, use your mics. And Sean as well. Alright, next case. Rolling. Fucking hell. Wings?
Yeah.
Wings, org?
Org wings.
Get ready for like so many of those.
Yeah,
I better not. Come on, Carambit.
Org wings.
But the worst ones.
Carambit, whoops.
They're more wings.
Come on, Carambit.
Wait, what did he say shotgun to?
I don't know.
Oh, 5-7 case hardened.
No, that's
alright.
good.
That's not bad, that's not bad. I got 3 left for this set.
Yep.
And it's not looking good. Come on.
Have you done the winter ones yet?
Nah, not yet.
The luck's building up for the winter ones.
I know.
Yeah.
Build your luck up for the winter ones.
P250 Hive.
That's alright.
It's alright.
Alright. Come on, something sexy. Oh, no.
It's better in Dota because it doesn't like tempt you. It just tells you what you get.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it just tells you.
Scar 20, Crimson Web. Alright, last case.
Auto
auto.
sniper.
At least give me the fucking P90. Alright, last one for this set. Last one for this set.
Go.
Nah, fuck. 5-7, case hardened. I got 2 of these now.
Again. Oh shit.
Next up, we've got Operation...
That was unlucky.
Yeah, no. Operation
okay.
Bravo case. 6, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 13.
These are nicer too. Operation Bravo guns are nice.
It better fucking be. Alright, 13.
It's so saddening when you look at like, you go to sell your tubes or whatever, and they're only worth like 8 cents.
Yeah, that's the worst.
Alright, 13
Then you're like, why did I do this?
Alright, 13 keys. Let's do this shit. Come on, fingers crossed. Let's get something sexy. Nah, not looking good. Not looking good, guys.
What is it?
USPS overgrowth.
Yet?
Nah.
There we go.
No, it's like green and yellow.
Yeah.
Well, on the plus side, you use it all the time.
No, I don't. I use the P2000.
Yeah, the P1000.
Alright.
Yeah, this is annoying. Even the M4 I didn't really get.
Yeah.
Alright, next up we've got shitty dual Berettas, Black Limber.
Okay.
What? Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Wait, Black Limber? I don't know what the hell that is.
It looks like basically
No, I don't know
ones.
what that is either.
It looks like normal ones.
Uh,
Not looking good, guys. I haven't even seen a glimpse of a
Just
knife.
keep going. It's building up. It's building up. Don't worry.
SG553 wave spray. That's not bad.
That's really cheap.
Doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, it's alright.
Don't worry, I've got 13.
He's opening 25, I think. Yeah.
Come on.
Keep opening.
Next roll, next roll.
Did you open your thinger?
Sweet. Another SG553 wave spray.
It's like old wings. Oh boy.
Not looking good, guys. So much for birthday luck.
Keep going. Keep going.
So,
you spent it all on ranking.
So yeah, that's 3 SG553s in a row.
Good.
Let's make it 4. Let's make it 4. Fuck this game.
I did the same thing with like, I forget what it is, but
Yep, that's 4 in a row, guys. 4 in a row.
Oh my god.
yeah, I did that with the famous Doom kitties and MP7 skulls.
Yep.
Oh boy.
Yep. They're the worst of it.
Oh boy.
It's so frustrating. Keep
Yep,
going.
Yep,
keep
here
going.
comes 5th. 5th SG553 wave spray.
Oh no.
Wow. Well, I haven't got that skin, so Dale, can you?
Oh god. Let's go for 6.
Trust
go
in the
for
heart of the
6.
cards. You got this. Got this.
Okay, a Nova Tempest. At least different.
Alright.
Doesn't
This is shotgun, yeah?
Yeah, doesn't look too bad actually. I might swap it out.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. I can't believe I made you guys stay and wait for this shit. UMP 45 bone pile. That's not too bad.
Yeah, man.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
But yeah, unless the
You haven't even
comes
got
up.
anything stat track yet.
Nah,
Yeah, that's weird. Have you seen any?
nah. So how many
Oh,
wave sprays
boy.
do I have? Because I just got another.
Start up here in store with Scout fucking skins. It's the same skin. Terrible.
I got 3 more of these. Alright.
Just trust. Just trust. You're getting something good.
Oh god.
This is
You'll get something good.
Oh, I got a stat track M4A1 Brightwater.
Nice. Oh, that's the blue one.
Yep.
yeah.
Stat track
Yeah,
of
that sounds pretty nice.
Got a
It's like
stat track.
$9.
Nice.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I
that's
think
good.
it stays the same one.
Alright.
Yeah, it's about $9.
2 more.
So you
2
can sell
more.
that off later.
It's a shame that it's not the normal M4, since that's the one I use.
Yeah. You got
That
2 solid
Asimov.
ones.
Alright, at least it's different. G3 SG1 Demeter. Dak.
Yeah.
Alright, last one in the set. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Wave spray?
Nah. Galil shattered.
That's alright. I'm using a stat track version of that. Looks nice. It's a nice looking gun.
That's those out of the way. The esports case, the 3 esports winter case, or the 3 winter offensive cases?
The esports first.
Esports, alright.
Yeah.
$22.69 left.
Yeah, you got plenty still, man.
Alright, let's do this. I'm not even excited anymore, this is fucking shit.
I told you it's like gambling. It's
Sword off, orange DD P80.
TD Pat. Yeah.
Sad thing is, with all this money, you could have bought the Asimov skin.
Shut up, Sean.
Yeah.
It's
Shut up,
like
Sean.
$50 for the Asimov skin.
Oh no. He hasn't opened those cases yet, man.
Ah,
just
true.
wait. Just wait. Just wait.
Yep, I've got 2 orange. No. I got a Mag 7 Memento.
Knife.
Mag 7 Memento.
Oh god damn it.
These, every gun so far, I don't use. So
This is like the unluckiest unboxing I've ever seen, man.
well, we're down to the last 6. So
Yeah.
alright, the esports winter cases first. Since I'm looking for the
Yeah.
Asimov.
I'm so keen for this. You didn't use.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
You
go.
didn't
let's
use
go,
all
let's
your
go.
luck on the other cases, so it should be happening here.
Yeah.
Well, to
yeah.
be honest, these guns
do
don't
this.
look too bad. Most of
Yeah.
the guns in this set.
Which ones are
don't
you
look too
opening?
bad. The
esports?
esports, yeah.
Did you open your esports?
Oh, come on, one more! No, no! Stat Track Galil AR Blue Titanium.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that looks nice.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad.
I swear if I open 3 of those though, I'm gonna fucking shoot someone.
Oh man.
You got stat track guns. It's good. It's good.
It was so close to the off Electric Hive though.
Oh, the one that you wanted.
Yeah. Azure Zebra G3. I've gotten so many fucking DAC tags, that's not even funny.
Yeah, that's a lot of DAC tags. Oh my
Just
god.
stop buying dark tags, dude.
Last 3. Oh, last one for the set. Oh, come on. Take it, take it. That's one I use, AK-47 Blue Laminate.
Oh, nice.
Alright, congrats.
It's ugly as shit, but I'll take it.
Yeah, I sold my Stat Track one.
Okay, last 3. Let's...
Wait, is this the winter ones?
yeah.
Alright,
here we
I'm
go.
feeling this one.
Alright,
I'm
here we
feeling
go,
this
here we
one,
go,
I'm
go.
feeling this.
Alright.
Let's go.
Alright, Asimov guys, Asimov. Here we go. Alright. Rolling. Nah. MT49 Magma.
It's good.
yeah.
These next 2, man. This Magma's not bad. You got these next 2. Look go.
Where you go?
I don't want to look. I don't want to look. Oh, you got to be shitting me. What do you think it is?
Another Magna.
It is another Magma.
Oh my god.
Last one. Last one.
Oh god. Oh god.
It's a
Alright,
knife.
rolling.
It's a knife.
It's rolling.
Okay.
It's rolling.
Okay,
It's not
it's a
looking
knife.
good. It's not looking good. Yeah, it definitely is not looking good. What do you think it is?
Another
Magma.
Magna.
Another Magma.
I feel so bad, man. Oh shit.
This one's Stat Track.
That's alright.
But yeah.
But it's an MT49.
Yeah, that's fucking disappointing.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Game's over. Go home. Fuck you guys.
Come on, guys.
Fuck this game. I'm uninstalling.
Yeah.
I just spent fucking $70 on that
Yeah.
shit, and I got nothing.
Nah, you got an AK?
Oh, that makes me feel so much better. Thank you, Jerry.
Yeah, you got your AK.
My Karambit and my fucking Asimov. Not even. I didn't even see it in that roll. Alright. There goes my video camera, and